Imagine a world where your body is screaming for rest, but the solace of sleep is nowhere to be found. This isn't just a bad night. It's sleep deprivation, and its effects are nothing short of life-changing. Today, we'll uncover the science of sleep deprivation, why it's so dangerous, and how to protect your health by prioritizing quality sleep. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Sleep isn't just a luxury. It's a biological necessity. Without it, our bodies suffer more than just a little grogginess. Let's dive into what happens when we don't get enough sleep and how it impacts our health. Understanding sleep deprivation is a silent epidemic impacting millions worldwide. Beyond just feeling groggy after a restless night, chronic sleep loss can lead to severe health consequences, hormonal imbalances, and even life-threatening conditions. In this video, we will explore the science of sleep, the dangers of sleep deprivation, and practical steps to ensure restorative rest. Why do we sleep? Despite significant scientific advances, the fundamental reason we sleep remains partially shrouded in mystery. However, one thing is certain: sleep is a non-negotiable biological necessity. Adults typically require 7 to 8 hours of sleep per night, while adolescents, due to their rapidly developing bodies and brains, need about 10. During sleep, our bodies undergo critical restorative processes. Non-REM sleep, characterized by deep relaxation and slow brain activity, is when DNA repair occurs, energy stores are replenished, and our systems reset for the next day. Melatonin, a hormone triggered by darkness, signals our body to wind down, while adenosine, a byproduct of cellular activity, builds up during wakefulness to increase the urge for rest. Together, these mechanisms ensure a seamless transition from wakefulness to sleep. The consequences of sleep deprivation. Sleep deprivation is not just an inconvenience. It is a serious public health issue. In the United States, approximately 30% of adults and 66% of adolescents are sleep. This lack of rest compromises cognitive functions. Over time, chronic sleep deprivation increases the risk of high blood pressure, inflammation, obesity, and even diabetes. One particularly alarming aspect of sleep deprivation is its effect on mental health. Sleep-deprived individuals are more likely to experience mood swings, anxiety, and depression. Furthermore, prolonged sleep loss has been linked to reduced life expectancy and increased vulnerability to diseases. Extreme cases of sleep deprivation. In extreme cases, the consequences of sleep deprivation can be fatal. In 2014, a soccer fan tragically passed away after staying awake for 48 hours to watch the World Cup. His death was attributed to a stroke, a condition strongly associated with chronic sleep loss. Research reveals that consistently sleeping fewer than 6 hours per night increases stroke risk by 4.5 times compared to getting a full night's rest. Even rarer, but equally harrowing, is a condition known as fatal familial insomnia. This genetic disorder prevents individuals from achieving any meaningful sleep, eventually leading to dementia and death within months or years. Such cases underscore the essential role sleep plays in sustaining life. The science of sleep recovery. So, how does sleep restore our bodies and minds? The answer lies in the brain's glymphatic system, a remarkable cleanup mechanism that activates during sleep. This system uses cerebrospinal fluid to flush out toxic byproducts, such as adenosine and other metabolic waste that accumulate between brain cells. This nightly detox process is crucial for maintaining cognitive function and overall brain health. Recent discoveries also point to the role of lymphatic vessels in the brain, which assist in clearing waste and supporting immune functions. These findings highlight the intricate biological processes that depend on regular, quality sleep. How to improve sleep quality. Understanding the importance of sleep is only half the battle. Implementing healthy sleep habits is the key to long-term well-being. Here are practical tips to enhance sleep quality. 1. Maintain a consistent sleep schedule. Go to bed and wake up at the same time every day, including weekends. This helps regulate your internal clock. 2. Create a relaxing bedtime routine. Activities like reading, meditating, or taking a warm bath can signal your body that it's time to wind down. 3. Limit screen time before bed. Blue light from phones and computers can suppress melatonin production, making it harder to fall asleep. 4. Optimize your sleep environment. Ensure your bedroom is dark, quiet, and cool. Consider blackout curtains and white noise machines if necessary. 5. Avoid stimulants. Reduce caffeine and nicotine intake, especially in the afternoon and evening. These substances interfere with your ability to fall asleep. 6. Watch your diet. Avoid heavy or spicy meals close to bedtime, as they can disrupt sleep. 7. Exercise regularly. Physical activity promotes better sleep, but try to finish workouts a few hours before bedtime to avoid overstimulation. Conclusion: sleep is not merely a state of rest, but a cornerstone of health and vitality. From repairing our bodies to clearing toxic brain waste, the benefits of sleep are far-reaching. Chronic sleep deprivation, on the other hand, poses significant risks, from cognitive decline to life-threatening illnesses. As we continue to learn about the mysteries of sleep, one thing remains clear: prioritizing sleep is one of the most effective ways to improve our quality of life. So, make sleep a priority, and your body and mind will thank you. Sweet dreams. Thanks for watching. Let us know in the comments what's your biggest challenge when it comes to sleep. Please like and subscribe for more wellness tips. See you in the next video.